Hello Malaysians! I had earlier created a video, but that was not recorded properly, and this is the second time I'm creating this video on the same subject. I'm referring back to my earlier clip where I put out a suggestion that Dato' Ambiga and Dato' Samad, both co-chairmen, call off the Bersih 3 rally in order that Najib won't have a convenient excuse to suspend the constitution and to call off the polling for GE 13, I mean General Election 13. That was the opinion I put forward, and which I still stick to my opinion. Only one explanation that I had, but in actual fact, in my video itself, this explanation already exists. It's in the form of asking people to protest silently at home, to stage a silent protest so that the police won't have an excuse to beat them up and to water bomb them and things like that. Well, protests can take many forms. The most violent form, of course, is going out on the streets. But as we have noticed in 1969, 13 May, even when the opposition, DAP, did not go on the street, even when they just merely staged a protest march, which was quite normal because they had succeeded in a very spectacular way to win that particular election. Not win as in forming government, but win as in making a huge headway into the majority of the Barisan Nasional government. Well, this time around, there is no doubt whatsoever in my mind that Pakatan Rakyat has already won the election. You people in Pakatan Rakyat, you people in Bersih 3, you have already impressed upon the people that you are the most worthy people to take government this time around, and that they should and will vote Barisan Nasional, so-called, or UMNO to be more accurate, out of government. You see, UMNO has already conceded. They have conceded that they have lost this election. UMNO has conceded that they have lost this election. And how do they do that? They do that by showing their underhand tactic. They show that they have lost by withdrawing the rocket symbol from DAP from their use in this coming election. That in itself is a declaration by UMNO that they have lost the election, and they'll do any damn thing that they can to retrieve what they have lost. Now, they cannot retrieve what they have lost because the votes will be there, and I'm sure they will stuff the ballot boxes and all that. But I'm sure also that because of the overwhelming support of the people for Pakatan Rakyat, that stuffing the ballot boxes will not be an easy thing. You won't find enough ballot paper to stuff the boxes. So, but that's beside the point. The point is this, that Pakatan has won the election, and that now UMNO is trying everything they can, including short of deregistering DAP, which they dare not to do. They have withdrawn the party symbol, the famous rocket symbol of the DAP. They have deprived DAP of the use of their famous symbol, and they got no legal grounds for doing that. Absolutely none, you know. So whatever little excuse they may have red herring and all that, yeah, the people can see through them. And also today I read in Malaysian Insider that in the Johor hustings, the Chinese have come out in droves. I mean, they feted the DAP candidates as if they were rock stars, you know, and that shows that their objective have been met to that extent, because that particular constituency, Geylang Patah, has 52% Chinese. So whether the Malays vote against them or vote for them or whatever, I think it makes very little difference. You know, some of the Malays will vote for them if that's good enough. Anyway, good luck to them on this occasion. But more important than that, in Kuala Lumpur, you see, please, I appeal to both Dato' Ambiga and Dato' Samad to change the form of the protest for Bersih 3. Do not go out on the streets. Instead, stay indoors. Put out the message that the protest is to stay indoors. Everybody stay indoors, to show that the people listen to the Bersih leaders. The people respond to Bersih and their objective to bring about a change of the government. That is a better bet, because I will tell you 100% and more that if you go out on the streets on the 28th of April, on May 5th, or rather on May 1st, they will declare emergency and declare a postponement of the polls. But what can you do? You see, when they declare a postponement of the polls, they will still be in government and they will be up to their nonsense. So don't give them a chance. Don't give them a chance. Dato' Ambiga and Dato' Samad, please listen. It is more notable if you can pull off this protest by silent stay-at-home protest, you know, because it takes a great and forceful leadership to convince the people. For that one particular day, do not go out on the street. On the 28th of April, do not go out on the street. Everybody stay at home. Markets close, shops close. Stay at home and watch TV. Do anything you want. Watch porn. I got lots of porn. You want porn? Send me an email. I send you porn. Okay? Anyway, I watch a lot of porn. Nothing wrong with it, really. Bye.